Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports.
It's 2019 Harley-Davidson CVO Electric Glide Ultra Limited with 8,659 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, TPMS, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt slip-on mufflers, Torpack hardware, saddlebag lid speakers, saddlebag auxiliary lights, and 14-inch handlebars. We have replaced the front and rear tires. The Electric Glide Ultra Limited is a paragon of the touring class thanks to its premium comfort, rugged power, and weather protection. The CVO variant features factory details and a striking paint set, adding artistic qualities to distinguish it from other models. Powered by a 117 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Electric Glide puts 125 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 906 pounds and has a 27.7-inch seat height.
To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.